Hey all, Mike from Iron Nation Garage. Here at Wally World, we're getting a new battery for my plow tractor. Here's current pricing. $349 and change for the 350 cold cranking amp. $39 and change for the 230, looks like. Okay. This is a 350 cold cranking amp. That one is $49.87, and then $39 and change is the what is that? That's a 300 cold cranking amp. And then we've got $34.76 over here. I believe that's our 250. That's a 250 cold cranking amp. And then we have a 230. We have a 230 right here, but we don't have a price tag on that one. So, current pricing on your tractor batteries. We're gonna pick a 300 for the 39 and change. That's what we're gonna go with.